Welcome to English Reading for Learning. Hello everyone, this is GK. I am going to read you a story, Monkey and the Crocodile. The moral of this story is quite unique and didactic. It tells us that one must be firm enough to take one's own decision. Just before that, please help to click like and subscribe my channel. Awesome! Now here is the story. The Monkey and the Crocodile. Once upon a time, there lived a monkey on a mango tree on the banks of a river. The mangoes of that tree were the sweetest of all. The tree bore fruits year-round. The monkey used to live very happily on the tree, eating the tasty fruits and playing on the tree. On a particular day, a crocodile came near that mango tree. He seemed very exhausted. The monkey offered him some delicious mangoes from the tree. The crocodile loved those mangoes and thanked the monkey for the same. From then on, the crocodile used to visit the monkey every day and they became good friends. One day the crocodile thought to take some mangoes for his wife. When his wife ate the mangoes, she demanded something very absurd from the crocodile. She said that these fruits are so tasty. Then how delicious will be the heart of that monkey who regularly eats these mangoes? She ordered the crocodile to bring the monkey's heart for her. The crocodile was shocked at her demand. The monkey was his friend. How could he betray him? He declined to kill the monkey and bring his heart to her. The crocodile's wife was adamant about getting the monkey's heart. She told the crocodile that she is not keeping well, and the doctor has recommended her to eat a monkey's heart to recover. She even threatened him that if the crocodile didn't get the monkey's heart for her, she would surely die. The crocodile had to give in to her order. With a heavy heart, the crocodile left to get the monkey. He went to the monkey and said, "Friend, my wife loved the mangoes sent by you. She has invited you to our house to thank you." The monkey agreed and sat on the crocodile's back so that the crocodile could take him to his house. In the middle of the river, the crocodile began sinking in. The monkey got frightened and he asked the crocodile as to why he was sinking. The crocodile, knowing that now there was no escape for the monkey, replied, "Forgive me, my friend. My wife needs to eat your heart to save her life. That's why I am taking you with me." The monkey was outraged. The monkey was smart. He kept calm and told the crocodile that he would be more than happy to save his wife's life, but he left his heart at the mango tree. The monkey told him that they can quickly go and get his heart from the tree. The crocodile accepted it at once and turned back. As soon as they reached the tree, the monkey jumped onto the tree and said, "Oh foolish crocodile! How can someone take out his heart and keep it somewhere else? You have deceived me as a friend. Now go and never come back." The ashamed crocodile went back to his home. Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.